In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and use green screen videos from CapCut's library. Let's get started. First, go to the CapCut library, browse and choose your preferred green screen video. Add the selected green screen video to the main track. With your video selected, go to the Remove Background option and select Chroma Key. Use the Color Picker tool to remove the green color from the video. Adjust the intensity slider to remove the remaining green. After that, move your video layer above as an overlay. Return to the CapCut library and search for a new background. For this tutorial, let's search for news background. Once selected, add it to the track. Adjust its duration by dragging its edges. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully added and used green screen videos from CapCut library. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!